Hey guys, Coach Ashley here. I've got Coach Tosh with me. We're going to be going through a quick post-pregnancy routine if you have diastasis recti. So diastasis recti after pregnancy is when your abdominal muscles separate. You'll be able to see a little bit of protrusion. A lot of times people try to fix this with surgery. You can also try to fix it with a simple ab routine you can do at home. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first exercise, a simple cat-cow. Tosh is gonna go into that cow and then push those shoulder blades, pushing through your palms, going into that cat. Making sure you're taking nice deep breaths here. If you feel too much of a pull, don't go all the way fully into that cow, just a little bit of a pelvic tilt, especially if this is the first time that you're training your abdominals after giving birth. You wanna take it easy. This is gonna help your spine as well. You're gonna have some low back pain after giving birth. This is also gonna help you with your low back pain as well. Just do this for about 30 seconds, and then we're gonna go into a bear plank. So Tasha's gonna stay on her knees, and she's just lifting her knees up. So it's just like a regular plank. It's modified though. Again, we don't wanna push it too much. You should be doing this about 6 months after you give birth. You don't wanna get into it too quickly, especially if you've developed diastasis recti. So Tasha's gonna go ahead and get on her side here, both legs out, and she's going to lift her hips up off the ground. Now, if that's too difficult for you, you can go ahead and bend that back leg and lift up. Again, we wanna take it easy here. Safety is the name of the game when training after pregnancy. You're gonna do that for about 30 seconds. Then we're gonna go into some toe taps lying on your back. So Tasha's gonna again lay on her back. She's gonna bring her knees up, hands under her glutes, and the slower the better. You wanna go nice and slow on the way down and lightly tap. You're not stomping the ground, you're lightly tapping, really feeling those abdominal muscles working, nice and easy. And then for the final exercise, we have elevated legs at about 75 degrees. You don't need to go any lower than this. And she's gonna pull one knee in while she's extending the other leg, nice and easy, nice and slow. Just again, getting that mind-muscle connection back after you've given birth. Even if you don't have diastasis recti, you need to work your pelvic floor muscles, you need to work your abdominal muscles. It'll help you recover, it'll help you feel better for you and the baby. So you wanna take it nice and slow, especially if you're, again, just getting started again in a fitness routine. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, even if you don't have diastasis recti, this is a great routine to start after pregnancy. Again, make sure you're cleared from your doctor first before you begin. And if you have diastasis recti, do this a couple times. Take nice deep breaths, take it nice and easy. I can't wait to see your guys' progress. Let me know in the comments how you're liking it. We'll catch you on the next one.